Hello, my name is Benjamin Østvold. I'm a Norwegian ski jumper from Norway. So I'm currently in Germany on a competition. These three products here, the greens and the beats and the Pro RG9 is the three products that I never travel without. I also usually have with me the E9, but I'm unfortunately out at the moment. But yeah, I never go anywhere without them. And I think they really helped me to achieve at the top level and to make sure that I can perform at a really high level. So I started using these products in this summer, and the results I started to achieve, especially the strength and power tests that we have during the summer, showed really amazing results after I started using this. And I am 100% sure that it's for sure because of these products. I mean, I've been training the same way for the last years, and now after I started using these products, I suddenly gained another 15% at my maximum results from earlier. So yeah, I really love these products and would really recommend them to everyone, even if you're not on top of the beat. I think everyone could benefit from them, and makes it easier to everyone to uh, achieve their goals and be as the best they can be.